A small school district in Dane County is making a big ask to voters next week.
For Deerfield schools, a referendum in the upcoming election will determine the fate of a nearly $50 million school improvement project. Our Catherine Merck spent the day talking with the district about what your vote would mean to education there.
We think about this teaching space for a science teacher as very, very close together.
Michelle Jensen says there's opportunities to improve Deerfield's middle and high schools on the April 4th ballot. The $49.7 million referendum would update building infrastructure, make room for students in now undersized classrooms, and address the capacity issues for the elementary school.
I think that the overall feeling that we're getting at the school from families and from community residents is that they're looking for something that maybe could spark some new life into this building and really be a great investment for decades to come.
An example of one of the things this district wants to improve comes from the marching band room. Take a look. It's an accessibility issue for some of these risers for students to be able to get all the way to the bottom.
Especially students with special needs who might need something a little bit different. And right now our building, we do the best we can, but we have an opportunity to do that better and do that in spaces, learning spaces that are now more geared towards how we teach kids in the, the 21st century.
The superintendent says this referendum is an example of the importance of voting in next week's election, as this vote would go towards success of students for years to come.
It's a really great opportunity for Deerfield. I think that, we're the forgotten gem on the east side of the county. So this is definitely a new opportunity for them to see this building expand and grow and hopefully welcome more families to Deerfield.
Reporting in Deerfield, I'm Catherine Merck for News 3 Now.
If the referendum gets through Tuesday's election, construction would come next, and the project's completion would come in the summer of 2026.